Hi patrons, of course, over the past 14 years, we have been making a lot of heel shifters for the touring bikes, for adventure tourers, for Pan America, and for the old GS as well. This time around, we have come out with something really innovative, right? And the innovation is that this is like a bearing mounted, completely indexable, so that you can index it to your riding style. If you want the heel shifter to be here, it will be here. If you want to set it up till here, you will get this much of a adjustment to play as per your riding style. The other cool thing is that if you notice, it's it's hardly taking about 25 mm, right? That too at the back. So even though this peg is small, you're not going to feel constrained for the landing space here. And I want to show you that. So it just mounts very simply by on the same position. There's no other bolt that you'll have to open, just this one pivot bolt. And that's the sweet installation it has. Sorry. Okay, go start. So the heel shifter comes with all of this, like this indexing bolt and one more bolt over here, indexer, reverse stopper. And this you don't have to open ever, because this is a bearing. If after many thousands of kilometers, if it fails, you can always replace it, but I highly doubt anything is going to happen to it. And it is aligned in such a way that you just put a few more bearings at the back. So our stock toe shifter was mounted over here. All we are going to do is this. So I already have set the angle that works perfect for me. So hence I'm just going ahead and talking it up, right? Now this is a very innovative design. Even though there is a full force on the bolt, it's not stopping the motion, right? And if I open this bolt and move it backward, I can move it down. Because you can see, if you show closely, there are slots here. In this, there are slots here. So this carriage bolt can be moved up or down. Right now, it's pretty much on the average position. So I essentially no more have to do this and this. And then with the heel shifter, I get a very good leverage also, because this part is much longer than this part. So hence the neutral finding becomes easier. Now if I am doing stand-on riding, I have no problem. As opposed to on stand-on, if I am doing this and I have to do this. No, I don't need to do that now. Stand-on, I am doing this. Love it. Absolutely love it, right?